Hello and welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we are going to understand how you can automatically add your LinkedIn leads to your Kit account as a new subscriber. So basically here I'm running some LinkedIn ads to receive new leads for my own business. And here my objective is as soon as I'm going to receive the new lead, then instantly a new subscriber for the same should be created inside my Kit account so that I can add that lead to my email campaign. So now here on my screen, you can see a connection that I've built between these applications. And in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this connection for your own business using this automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here, before moving forward with the connection, let me tell you about Pabbly Community. So Pabbly Community is a space where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly Community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly community today. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to build a new connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button, and then here it is asking us to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the another one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says add LinkedIn leads to Kit automatically, and for the folder I'm going to click on this drop down menu, and here you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select it as per your requirement. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So as you all know that I am receiving new leads through LinkedIn ads. So I'm going to select my trigger as LinkedIn and my app event as lead notifications. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your LinkedIn account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with LinkedIn. And here you can see my account details are automatically being added. So we're going to click on this sign in, and we are now successfully connected. So now here it is asking us for the sponsored account. So now here to get the account, let me take you to my LinkedIn Ads Campaign Manager. So this is my LinkedIn Ads Campaign Manager account, and here you can see the account that I'm using with the name Pabbly's Ad account. So I'm going to select the same from the drop down, and then we're going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead inside our LinkedIn lead ad. So now here to generate the test lead, let me take you back to my LinkedIn Ads Campaign campaign manager. So this is my ads campaign manager, and here I've already drafted a test campaign in which I've created a test lead form. So now using that test lead form, we are going to generate a test lead inside our LinkedIn lead ad. So we're going to click on this apply now. Alright, so this is our lead form, and here it is asking us to add the email address and the phone number. Whereas the first name, last name and the company name are the static values. That means these are the fixed values and we cannot change them. So the reason behind this is that this is a test lead form, but if you're running a live lead, then your lead will be able to add all the details. For now, I'm going to add the email address as dummy@pabblytudes.com, and here I'm going to add a random phone number. Then we're going to click on the submit, and it says information sent to Pabbly. So now let's go and check out Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see we have received an instant response where we have received all the lead details. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through our LinkedIn, then instantly I want to add that lead as a new subscriber in my Kit account. So for that, we're going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Kit, and for the app event we're going to select add subscriber to a form, and then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection, and here you can see it is asking us to add the API key and the API secret. So now here to get the details, let me take you back to my Kit account. So this is my Kit account, and here I'm going to click on my profile icon, and then we are going to click on the settings. Under settings, we are going to scroll it a little down, and in the last you can see the option of developer. We are going to select it, and here you can see we have received the API key and the API secret. So now I'm going to copy the both details and paste in my Pabbly's workflow. Alright, so I've successfully added the details, and then I'm going to click on the save, and you can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking us to select the form, so I'm going to select the single form that I've created, and then here it is asking for the first name and email. So basically these are the fields that I've added in my form. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic, so that we're going to receive a new lead through our LinkedIn lead ad, then instantly this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the first name, I have mapped the first name, and here we're going to map the email address. Then here this tags is not required one, so we're going to leave it blank. Now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new subscriber in our Kit account. So now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to move towards subscribers. Here I'm going to select all subscribers, and here you can see I have successfully created a new subscriber with the name Pabbly. This is the email address, and this is the status. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected a trigger as LinkedIn and an action as Kit, so that we are going to receive a new lead through our LinkedIn lead ad. Then instantly a new subscriber for the same will be created inside our Kit account. Alright, so these were the steps to how to add LinkedIn leads to Kit automatically. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.